constraints I've got little to no influence over, right? Except for whining and complaining. And that's why we made the decision of, okay, you're right, they're not using it. Is it helping us? Yes. Okay, then let's do it, right? There's optimal, or, target condition. That's what we want to get to. We can't because we have this constraint, but we don't have to stay here. So to improve tack time, like I'm going to say globally in reference to a project, right? The project is my world because it is, right? If we don't understand what the labor rates are or standard industry expectations or industry averages are, how do you even plan your work? If I know I got to install 23 pounds of sheet metal an hour to hit budget, and that's an industry standard, I can then I can use that data to schedule the work, to establish some sort of tact. Now, does everybody look at their planning from that perspective? I think part of it should, right? Should. So when we have, let's say we have a team that's we're going to exercise, we're going to learn this, we're going to apply it. That's a big piece of it. And from my perspective, right now, I'm not saying that teams are going to fail because they don't do that. But for me to be effective at this tact thing, the durations that people are sharing have to be tied to data, right? And it's not a guess. Everybody it's not everybody. We all have the caveat of, well, if I had the best guys, right? Well, if I don't have a bunch of apprentices, if it's like, yeah, okay, fair, but the rest of the country's bidding with these labor rates. So can we plan to that? If you're guessing, my tact is only as reliable as your tact is. And if your tact is tied to an off-the-hip duration, my tact is invalid. Or unsustainable, I should say, right? Because we'll get some tact and then we'll stop. And we'll get some tact and then we'll stop.